of casting line and the separator you have purchased from us. This casting line is full automatic. You can see the workers just sit in the position to do working. Only need a few workers for this big casting line. It helps save labor cost. The most important is that the boss produced by this machine has better quality compared with other production tools. Please look at the cavity of the mold. It has 3mm sand inside of the mold cavity. It does not only protect the mold, but also improve the boss quality. No matter surfaces or inner quality, better wear resistance and higher hardness. And this is the boss produced one night capacity. Very, very beautiful.